You know how it feels. All mine, yeah. All mine, all mine, all mine, yeah. All mine, yeah. All mine, all mine, all mine. Baby, let's keep it real. We both still young, so what's the rush? The night is young and we not drunk enough. You.
Hey guys! I need some chapstick. My lips are too chapped. Give me a second. No, I need a lot. Am I back? What's going on? Who is she? I'm about to do my skincare and do a little chit chat moment with you guys. I'm about to get ready for the gym. Oh my gosh, this bump on my face. It's currently 9:45. I'm getting a late start to my day, but it's okay. I'm about to hit the gym, come back, make some breakfast, shower, all that. But right now, let me moisturize my face a little bit. I'm just gonna do like literally a little bit of skincare because I'm about to go sweat. And now I'm gonna use the Kiehl's face cream and the Innisfree SPF. When should we do the live update? Should we do it now? Should we wait? I don't know. I'm off work today. I don't go back until Thursday. So I figured, why not get back in my YouTube vibe? But I've missed like being creative and editing and being in front of the camera. I don't know, I've just missed it a lot. I'm just really excited to see what I'm gonna do this year and what's gonna happen for me. So yeah, let's pick my gym outfit. Why is my camera tilted like that? Today's upper body, so I think I'm gonna do, I already wore this blue outfit, but I don't know what I want to wear. I feel like once it grows out, I'm really gonna love it. So on the agenda today, actually, first of all, I didn't eat breakfast. I didn't eat anything, but I'm gonna have a little piece, just a little piece of one of these cookies, probably the strawberry one. A cookie for before the gym is crazy, but balance. It's okay, balance. But yeah, I'm not taking my camera, so I will be vlogging on my phone. So yeah. I feel like my hair just looks so crazy. I don't know, like, it's just so short. I'm at the gym, y'all. Planet Fit.
All right, here you go.
Thank you. And we got that bag, Goofy. How come every time I leave? I am back home. I got my Chick-fil-A. And I just wanted to show you guys my order. I get a chicken tortilla soup when it's in season with the tortilla strips. And then I get the kale crunch salad, a grilled 5-piece nugget. Put the almonds on it, and you gotta add buffalo sauce. This might be my favorite Chick-fil-A order. The healthy one, at least. I'm about to dress this up, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like at the end.
You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up.
You have to get the mango passion tea. So good. I don't like their lemonade. It has pulp in it. I don't like it. Do you see how bomb that looks? Like, you cannot sit here and tell me that that does not look scrumdiddlyumptious. Okay? Come on, bro. I'm about to eat and watch Miss Monte. Come on, bro. They're too cute. I love.
I know I've been the worst, but I love you better.
What's good, y'all? So we making the
honey. Yeah, we. Brown sugar cornbread. We got the chili in here. Cooking up and I see the vibes.
If you let me, let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh my God.
It is the next day. I just got up. It is 9:54 and I'm about to get ready for the gym. I already brushed my teeth, washed my face. I have my outfit. I think I'm gonna change the top though, but we'll see. But yeah, so I'm gonna give you guys like a little life update in a little bit after I get dressed. I'll see you guys in a minute. Today I need to clean up this room. It is kind of a mess in here. I definitely need to clean that today. And I also need to finish doing my boyfriend's 75 soft things. It's been a year since I've uploaded like an actual video. Probably, honestly, I think it's been more than a year. Because my last video, I was still in Richmond. So it's been like a year and a half. As you guys may or may not know, I did graduate in May 2022. That's almost 2 years ago, which is actually insane. 2 years ago, I was living in Richmond, and in August of last year, I actually moved out. I moved away from home, out of state, and now I'm in the Midwest. And that is all because my lovely boyfriend is in the Air Force. So we got moved. Well, he got moved and I chose to move. It's definitely something that I was supposed to do. I feel like I was too comfortable at home. Even though like I miss my family stuff, I was just too comfortable with my situation, and this has made me very uncomfortable, and you have to be uncomfortable to grow. So yeah, that's that. Hopefully gonna move again within the next few months. That'll be a fun like little journey to document. Moving away was definitely hard though, just because I've never been so far away from my family. Yeah, I really miss them. And plane tickets are so expensive from where I have to fly out of. I moved, I cut my hair. I'll insert like my birthday pictures. Those are probably like the biggest updates that I have. I hope you guys are having an amazing January, and I hope you are working on your goals, chasing your dreams, and I hope you're dreaming big. My goals for this year is to dream big, no matter how big the dream is, and to put my faith in God. The biggest risk that I've ever taken was moving away from home, so I definitely want to take more risk and not be scared of failing or be scared of the outcome. I want to be more consistent with my content. I feel like I say that in every single video, but I really do. I really want to be consistent on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. I'm more consistent on TikTok and Instagram because it's definitely easier to edit those videos. It's less time consuming. I want to get back into like my passions, which like in my beginning stages of YouTube, it was makeup. I don't want to do like makeup content on here though. I want to do like more lifestyle content on YouTube. I don't want everything to be so perfect, and I think that was my issue before. Like I would always try to just be perfect. Like everything had to be perfect, had to look a certain way. I had to look a certain way in my videos, like, and I just want to try to get out of that everything has to be perfect mindset. I'm really excited for what this year has in store for me, and I hope you guys are excited for what it has in store for you too. I'm excited for what it has in store for all of us. I need to go to the gym. It is 10:19. I'm about to get a little piece of this cookie. I'm about to go. to the gym, get my little workout in. It's leg day today. I'll see you guys when I get home.
Keep it real. If only I could pay the bills with my love for you. We'd be the richest in the fucking room. Hey, we'd be so comfortable. Girl, it's only you for me. No lie, I'll try what they offer. They're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're around, baby, when you ain't with me, feel alone. And I was wondering if you always know. It don't have to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but